Hi all, welcome to Truly Logical. This is Pratik Dhawde and you're watching tutorial 3 of Logo Learning series. In this video, we will learn about some useful logo commands. So let's start without any further delay. Move and turn. These are two basic movements that a logo turtle always perform. That means our turtle can either move and draw a line or it can simply take turns. So now let's have a look over different possible move and turn movements of turtle. First kind of movement is forward move. As shown on the screen, A is the initial position from where the turtle starts and it moves forward till the point B. So, we can call this as a forward movement of turtle from point A to point B. Forward movement of turtle from point A to point B will trace a line as shown on the screen. Next kind of move is backward movement. Here A is the initial point from where the turtle starts moving in a backward direction and it reaches till the point B. So this is the backward movement of turtle from point A to point B. And as shown on the screen, this backward movement of turtle will trace a line from point A to B. Apart from simply moving in straight line, our turtle can also take turns. It can turn circularly in left as well as right direction as shown on the screen. The first example on the screen is of right turn and the second example is of left turn. In both the cases, turtle is turning from an initial position A to B. Here we don't see any trailing line with turtle's turn because turtle has not moved away from its position but has just taken a turn at the same place. So this makes it clear that turn movements are just to rotate turtle's head and do not draw anything on the screen. I hope we are clear with the basic move and turn movements of turtle. So now let's have a look on commands and their syntaxes. In the last tutorial, we have discussed that our turtle can move only if we instruct it in the form of commands. If you have missed that video, then I would suggest you to follow the link on the screen and get aware about what are commands. As we know, logo commands are typed in the input box and they make turtle move and draw on the drawing area. It is very important that the commands we type are valid and correct. For this, we have certain rules defined to write the commands. These rules are in general called as syntax. Every programming language has its own set of syntaxes. Likewise, Logo also has its own syntax. For better understanding, let's have one example. This is a grammatical syntax for an English sentence. As per the syntax, "We love logo" is a valid sentence, but "love logo we" will be an invalid sentence. As grammatically incorrect sentences are considered wrong, same way, if our commands are incorrect, they will not be acceptable. So now, let's see syntax for move commands. For forward movement, we will have to type FD or forward followed by the number of steps that we want our turtle to move. Similarly, for backward movement, we will have to type back or BK followed by the number of steps. As we know, logo commands are case insensitive. We can type commands in both lower as well as upper cases. This is an example of forward command. Here, FD50 or forward 50 will move turtle 50 steps in the forward direction. So, turtle will move 50 steps from A to B and draw a line 50 units on the drawing area. Now, here we have an example of backward command. Here, BK50 or back 50 will move turtle 50 steps in the backward direction from its initial position. So, turtle will move 50 steps from A to B and draw a line of 50 units in the backward direction. Now, let us see syntaxes for left and right turn command. For left turn, the syntax is LT or left followed by the angle in degrees by which we want our turtle to turn in the anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, for right turn, the syntax is RT or right followed by the angle in degrees to turn turtle in the clockwise direction. So let's have some example for clear understanding. Before going to the actual examples, let us first quickly look at this reference diagram. Here we can see angles mentioned from 0 degrees to 360 degrees in a circular fashion. That means we can turn logo turtle circularly left or right by specifying any angle between 0 and 360. The current slide is showing clockwise angle reference for taking right turn. And this is the anti-clockwise angle reference for taking left turn using LT or left command. This is first example showing left and right turn of turtle with 90 degrees. Here we can observe that turtle is moving in clockwise direction by 90 degrees for right command, and for left 90 command it is moving by 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. This is second example for left and right turn. Here we have provided the angle as 45 degrees. So you can see the turning movement of turtle on the screen. And this is the last example showing left and right turn with 180 degrees. We can notice that the final position of the turtle after left and right 180 degrees is same. So with this we come to the end of our video. If you have liked it, then please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like and share the video. In the next session, we will learn about setH command and how it is different from R2 command. Till then, bye and stay tuned with Truly Logical.